Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta. Today I've got a big old bag of stuff here from BeeBeeCraft that I am dying to share with you. So let's get inside and see what I have ordered. It's been a while since I did a BeeBeeCraft unboxing, so okay, start this one. So this is some Bunting, Hessian, I think this material's called. Burlap is what they're calling it, burlap bunting. It's quite well starched. We've got, how many have we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. It is 2.8 meters or 9 feet, and it is printed with little white hearts. However, my plan is to personalize this, so to paint something else, or to add something to each of these little panels. So you will be seeing that in a future video. This was $3.79. So absolutely perfect. Great if you want to make some seasonal decorations, or if you're just decorating for a party. I think this would stand up quite well outside, so you'd have no problem if you wanted to hang it in a garden. So yeah, very nice indeed. Pleased with that. Super quick little one there. Dig into the bag. What's next? Ooh. Okay. First of all, as always, lovely packaging. This is the Panda Hall Elite Glass Cabochons. They are half-round domes with mushroom patterns, and there are 50 of them. So let's get inside and have a look. Oh. Okay, let's see how many. I'm going to bring you down a bit. So we've got all sorts of different mushroomy pictures. Some of them have got a lovely kind of metallic sort of sheen to them within the picture. Really nice. I don't know if we're going to have doubles. Let's see if I can find any that are the same. I haven't found any that are... Oh. Right, those, we've got 2 there that are the same. So we might have a couple of duplicates, but honestly, with this many, it's not a problem. I was thinking that these would make really nice cover minders, just with the addition of a couple of magnets on the back, but equally they would be lovely to have as jewellery. They're a nice weight, they're not too heavy, they would make perfect little button badges. Maybe a little heavy for me for earrings, but somebody might be able to make them work. But definitely as a pendant or a pin badge. But look at that selection, so lovely. And just, you know, there's something very magical about mushrooms. I really like them. Yeah, just lovely. What a great selection. This was $6.43, so I think that's fine. I'm more than happy with that. And obviously you can create stuff with this that will then increase their value if you were to sell them on. So much of what BeeBeeCraft sell is designed for you to work with, and then you create your own sort of sellable items from it. Is that going to go back up there? Yes. Okay, we're whizzing through these. Oh, we've got some bookmarks. I can't remember how many was in here. I'm thinking 4. 1, 2, 3. We've got 4 tassels. We've got 4 little envelopes to make them lovely for gifting. And then these are acrylic bookmarks. Okay, we've got mushrooms again. These have got a cover on to protect them. I'll peel this one off just so you can see that they are in fact clear and shiny. What I've done now is steam it up with my hands. Right, so this one says, let's put it down there. So we've got all good things are wild and free, with a lovely mushroom picture. So then obviously you can add on your tassel and you can pop it in an envelope, and then that's great for gifting. So we've got that one. We've got one with just mushrooms. I was in a very autumnal mood when I did this order. Always loved, never forgotten, forever missed. And one with some orangey flowers. I think those are gerbers, those. So that set of 4 was £2.57, and I just thought they were really, really lovely. I read a lot. I'm always after a bookmark, and I just thought that those were so lovely. Okay, so this one. This is one of those things where I didn't get what I thought I was getting, but that was my fault. So we have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right. So we've got a 5 set of these diamond painting kits for Christmas cards or festive cards. So we've got this lovely snowman with a cardinal, really cute. What I was expecting was it to be 1 pack with 5 cards and the drills, in the same way that if you bought a set of, say, 5 key rings, you'd get 5 key rings and 1 set of drills. But in fact, everything is individual, so it's 5 individual sets, which is great if you're looking to gift them, pass them on to people. But yeah, as I say, it wasn't quite what I expected, but I'm happy about that anyway. These were, it was $10.49. But obviously if you split that up amongst the 5 sets, I think that's really good. I will be definitely keeping one for myself, but I think the rest of these are probably going to be gifted out to other people. So yeah, I thought these were very cute. Let's open one up. As I'm keeping one, we'll open one and have a look. Looks like we get, you know, your standard bits and bobs. So yeah, we've got your green boat, pink pen, a couple of baggies, some wax, and then here we've got our drills. Come on. Surprisingly, not as much white as you might expect. So, yeah, so this is our card. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. On the back, Merry Christmas, the happiest New Year. So then we've got, yeah, blues, greens. That'll be for the holly in the hat. Reds for the scarf, browns, blacks, and then blues and whites. I've got lots of white ABs, so I might be tempted to switch out some for white ABs, which obviously you could do as well. But yeah, I'm pleased with that. Very nice. And obviously it comes with your envelope as well. What have I got left? Is this the last thing? Oh, no. 2 things left. These little ones are resin inclusions, but there are probably other uses for them as well. Again, I'm going to bring you down so you can see a little bit clearer. So we've got some little bunnies there, gold bunnies. We've got, those are sitting bunnies, and then we've got leaping bunnies here. We've got butterflies, little deer, Bambi style. is our bunnies, but so we've got sitting up, sitting down and leaping in the bunnies. Squirrels, cats and mushrooms. I told you there was a theme to this one. so the idea of these obviously is, yeah, to include them in resin jewellery, in trinkets, charms, that sort of thing. I think you could probably use them with Fimo clay and polymer clay, stuff like that as well. This set, there's 96 pieces altogether. It was $6.23. And the final thing, you get 3 of these in a set, which is good because it means you can do multiples at the same time. You will need 2 of these. Once you've filled this resin, you will need 2 lots of what you create in order to make a book stand. I will put a picture on the screen so you can see what I'm talking about. But yeah, this is just a silicone mould for making a stand for your books. Obviously, nice if you want to display a particular book on your coffee table. For me, if I am doing ceremonies, sometimes it's nice to have your Book of Shadows or your ceremony script in a nice stand so that you can put it down but not lose your page. You can sort of read from it without having to hold it in your arms. And so yeah, we've just got these are all the same. We've just got 3 of them, so that's really nice. And it's the sort of thing that, you know, with these inclusions, you might want to lay these in here, so that then you can have a very decorative, very autumnal kind of book stand. It would be nice, particularly for me, thinking about seasonal ceremonies, to have a book stand that was seasonally themed would be really nice. And on the occasions that I perform ceremonies for other people, such as hand fastings, baby namings, then they often pick a colour scheme, and it would be nice to be able to match up with that as well. So lots of options there. This was $9.35 for the set of 3. As I say, you can get away with just having 1. You just make it twice. Having 2 is perfect. Having 3 is even better because you've got a bit more room for experimentation. So those are my BeeBeeCraft finds. There's such a lot of variety on their site, as always, as I'm often saying. It's just, yeah, it's an absolute treasure trove of interesting craft items. And yeah, I'm always excited to see what I can find next. I will say at this point, I am super excited that BeeBeeCraft have offered to sponsor my event, which is running in February. There will be a video going out soon with details of all of that so that you can start preparing should you wish. But yes, they have provided me with some prizes and some items that will be going into the prize packs. So a little bit more on that later, but just for now, a huge thank you to BeeBeeCraft for sponsoring the event. It's incredibly kind of them, and I'm very grateful. So I'm going to leave this here. Links to all of these items will be down below. Do go check them out and check out everything else that they've got available on their site. There's really is something for everybody and something for every budget as well. So I'm going to leave this here. Please consider doing all that YouTubey stuff. Like, share, leave a comment, subscribe if you haven't already. And if you are able to, please do consider supporting the channel on Patreon or via the YouTube memberships. Details for that are down below, and I am so grateful to those of you that already do that. I will be back with a next video super soon, and until then, stay crafty!